While thinking of how to construct this video on the health-promoting benefits of physical exercise, Jaslyn has sat down on her desk for a good 4 hours straight. As she stands up to go to the toilet, oh god, lower back ache. The last time I exercised was a year ago. Well, do other people have the same problem as Jaslyn? It has been reported by the Straits Times that there has been an increasing number of Singaporeans, both young and old, visiting the hospital to solve back pain problems. One perspective to why this may be the case for current Singapore is because of our sedentary and desk-bound lifestyle. In an economy where working in offices and being confined to our desks for up to 8 hours a day being a norm, it is no wonder why so many Singaporeans suffer from backache. Let's first look at how muscles work. Firstly, we must recognize that muscles like back muscles and biceps, etc., are called skeletal muscles. They attach to the skeleton to generate motion. Skeletal muscles are composed of very long, thin cells, and more than 90% of its total volume is composed of muscle proteins, including the contractile proteins actin and myosin. When a muscle cell is activated by its nerve cell, the interaction of actin and myosin generates force and enables us to either contract or relax our muscles. How does exercise lead to stronger muscles? Exercise can increase strength of muscles through two processes. The first is hypertrophy, which is the enlargement of cells. For this to occur, muscle cells have to be put through regular exercise, with periods of rest and with sufficient dietary protein. The stress of training leads to enhanced muscle protein synthesis, and incorporation of these proteins into cells causes hypertrophy. It should also be noted that hypertrophy is aided by certain hormones and has a very strong genetic component as well. The second is neuroadaptations that enhances nerve-muscle interaction. Firstly, there is synchronous activation. Basically, this means the ability of neurons to recruit more muscles simultaneously. Let's first look at unworked and untrained muscle. Here, cells fire in an asynchronous fashion and are subjected to inhibitory neurofeedback, which is an innate response of the central nervous system to keep muscle from overworking and not generate a force greater than what it is used to. However, when we exercise, our cells fire simultaneously and we train and adapt our muscles to decrease inhibitory neurofeedback. This enables trained muscles to get remarkable strength gains with minimal hypertrophy. This is responsible for the strength gains seen in women and adolescents who exercise. Their muscles do not appear huge, but they are strong. This neuroadaptation also makes use of nerve and muscle cells that are already present. Hence, this occurs before hypertrophy is observed, as hypertrophy is a much slower process for people with muscles that create new muscle protein at a slower rate. So, what does this mean for people with backache? Stronger muscles mean that our dear spine gets some pressure taken off it, as now the new and improved muscles are able to support our body weight and promote better posture when sitting, standing, or walking. Let's not forget that in the process of exercise, abdominal fats are burnt and replaced by stronger core muscles that can further contribute to spine pressure relief. Hence, some back pain will be resolved. And yes, we should all exercise. Thank you.